Oh mon ami bidi, dibidi dan, dibidi dan, dibidi dan, dibidi dan, 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 dan. So
Good morning, guys. Hopefully y'all can hear me. I just feel like having some pata soup there again. Oh, it smells so good. I can actually smell it from here. Wow, the wind really carries smell. Yeah, I just feel like having a talk. I'm back. I still have a small cough, but for the most part, B Bizzle is back in the hizzle. Yeah, I'm back. I'm going up to town for happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Woo woo. Anyways, yeah, I just feel like I'm a little talk. I have a couple things planned for you guys. I'm going a couple places, so you know videos are coming up. I'm happy, so I'm gonna be making word voices. But it's after 9. It's like 5 minutes after 9 o'clock. And I'm just so glad. So we are going up for Valentine's Day. I have a little something going on tonight. If not, then me and Malik are gonna go out for, like, you know, drinks, little cute little stuff. Yeah. So I thought I had more to say, but apparently I don't. Yeah, I'm just gonna get back to the road now. I'm always paying attention to the road. I actually set up a camera mount literally right there, but I don't think I edited the footage where I tested it out, so I don't even know if it works. So I'm gonna have to really start editing a lot of the footage that I have, because that footage is at least 2 weeks. Okay, it's not more than 2 weeks old. It's about a week and a half, 2 weeks old. Alright, at this point, I'm rambling. I'm trying to talk louder. I'm trying to, what's that word? Project my voice so you guys can hear me better. I still need to get a better mic for the GoPro, because the GoPro doesn't always carry the best sound, especially from the front. But I think the GoPro 8 does. I have the Hero 7 Black. I think the 8 carries better sound, but alright. Anyways, I'm gone. Bye.
what?
Well, I gotta say to the YouTube people then.
I said to the YouTube people them.
Yeah.
I want to do all that sexy girl them that.
Yeah, alright. Okay. Don't love Jamaica people, you see? Yeah, I'm gonna get some patty because I'm hungry. I'm in Clarendon Park. It took me an hour to get here from Warsop, so not bad. I'm just about to another 20 minutes, another 15 minutes, and I'll be on the, when I leave, another 15 minutes from when I leave, I'll be on the toll road. Is it 15 minutes? I think so. Yeah. Anyways, I'm excited for tonight. If tonight goes how I want it to go, then I'm gonna be pretty happy. Morning.
Morning there. How you doing?
Good.
Alright.
Yeah, every time I hear morning, my office said morning back. Alright guys, so I gotta go. So just a while ago I was talking to myself. I mean, I'm talking to myself right now, but I was talking to a bunch of pictures being taken. So I'm just hoping that that's working. phone? Anyways, guys, I'm at NHT again. This time I've come to make a payment. So yeah. After this I'm gonna go. I have something else planned, but I don't remember right now. I definitely want some ice cream. I don't know what it is, but I have been fiending for some ice cream like crazy. Yeah, I've been wanting ice cream so bad. So, like at NHT, outside is looking nice. The last time I came here was the day of the earthquake, and the building was being evacuated. So it's good to see that everybody is inside and safe and there's no earthquake. Alright, I'll talk to you guys later. Get me in my inappropriate outfit. Alright guys, I am dying for some ice cream. I don't know why. But I'm gonna go buy some. I guess not. I think that's God telling me I need to save my money. The little I have. Why? Y'all don't know how bad I wanted ice cream. Literally, like, I can't even explain to you how I was gonna drive past this place. Oh my goodness. Like, I wanted ice cream every day now. Every day. Alright guys, so it's always happy to see another person with a GoPro or to see people who know of GoPros. This girl just shouted out, I got one from my boyfriend. Must be nice. Must be nice. Sorry. I just uploaded the video and now I'm about to go get my kitty waxed. Yeah. I'm about to go get a wax. Everybody literally walking around with friggin' wrapped gifts and gift bags. Must be nice. Must be nice. I'm about to go get my kitty waxed. So I got the address on my phone and they have a Valentine's Day special. About to get my eyebrows waxed, gonna get my armpit waxed, and I'm gonna get my waxed. But anyways, I gotta go. I'm rambling. I've been rambling all today. This man is wearing a scarf and gloves. Scarf and gloves. Scarf and gloves. I think I'm gonna put the camera upon him. Look like him a bleach. You can always tell when people are bleaching, and not even to be biased, you can tell. Like, the color look really, it looks sickly to me. It look off. And he's wearing long sleeves, so I gotta go. Here, lashed by Elsie. I'm gonna get waxed. It's cute in here, cute little setup. Alright, so I'm gonna go in there, I'm gonna get everything done, and I'm gonna come back. I do have a couple waxing videos. Oh, somebody getting their brows did. I do have a couple waxing videos, so if you want to go check that out on my channel already, and then maybe in a month I can do another one if you guys want me to. I've gotten quite used to the pain, so it's not as painful. But anyways, bye. So Grandpa and I just got some, well, I got porridge. I got porridge and 2 cheese patty on the cocoa bread. And Grandpa got 2 chicken and the drinks. But anyways, we're gonna get back on the road and go back to our supper. Alright, hi guys. So we just reached back from Mandeville and we stopped in Christiana, as you guys saw, to get some breakfast. I eat my patty already, but I have one more patty and cocoa bread. I'm gonna eat some hominy and
Look.
corn porridge. Mommy likes to mix hers, and she had me try it one day mixed, and never been back. Yeah. Oh, as you can see, I'm editing a video, but it's loading. Right now, let me go in closer so you guys can see. You've already seen this. Ooh. You've already seen this, but it's loading. Mexico season 2. I'm a big Narcos fan. If you're a Narcos fan, leave a comment or leave a like. Let me know what you like. I'm a big Netflix, Hulu movie series type person, so let me know what your favorite show is to watch. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Also, dang, this is a long clip. What may I say now? Yeah, I don't know what I was gonna say. Bye. So there's supposed to be a grave digging going on, and I figured it would be great content to go and record. Grave diggings. I'm not aware of other countries doing grave diggings. I think the most similar thing that I'm aware of is Mexico with the Day of the Dead celebration that they do. Of course, there are most likely other countries that do grave digging celebrations. I'm just not aware of any. And it'd be very interesting to show you guys, especially people who used to live here who remember grave diggings, you know, who haven't seen them in a while. It would be cool to show it. I just have to go find one of my cousins to go with me because I don't know a lot of people here other than family and people that I grew up with, which isn't much. Well, I know everybody knows me, which is weird, because you know, once your family is from an area, even if you never met somebody, they know that you're so-and-so's granddaughter, so-and-so's daughter, so-and-so's everything. They know everything about you. Yeah, so I'm gonna go. Hopefully I can catch some cool stuff. Yeah, and manish water. I always love manish water grave digging. My upper lip is sweating. But yeah, I'm gonna delete some footage off this camera that I've uploaded to edit, and I'll catch you guys when I'm at the grave digging. Bye. I wonder if you guys are ever tired of seeing
the gungo that I put in these videos, the peas that I put in these videos. I'm just gonna see if my cousin is up at her place, and if not, just call up one of my other cousins and then see if he wants to go with me or if he's already up there. Alrighty, see y'all. Okay, so change of plans. I'm just gonna walk up there myself. My grandpa is up there. My cousin, she came from up there already, so I think she'll go back in a time soon. I'm just gonna let grandma know because grandma was asking where grandpa was. Gonna let her know that that's where he is. And then maybe go walk up there. I wonder if this could be a thumbnail. Or no. I don't know. Alright. So I'm thinking of driving more afternoon. I'm thinking of driving down tomorrow. But going to and from country, Jesus, it's expensive. It's expensive bad. Like, I have to buy gas, to pay for the toll. Afternoon. Yeah. So, grave digging is over there, so somewhere. So I'm gonna walk around. You can hear the music from here, but probably can't. You definitely can't hear it on the camera. It's a lot of people gonna be staring at the camera, but we don't care. This is beautiful Warsup. Quiet Warsup. Yep. It's like I can go to the gym and I can feel all healthy, but walking and running a mile, like long distance, whew. Yeah. Well, but I rode my on. But I like walking, but it's still not the best out of me. But anyways, more. But I rode this. I never come on the road yet. But I got directions, and this is the road. It is the right road. Sometimes I feel like I have social anxiety, but that's alright. Amber, you good? Yeah. Is it Grandpa? Oh, alright. So there are people eating, people talking, playing dominoes, drinking liquor, all these things. Yeah. It's kind of smaller than I thought.
and I don't really know much people, so I kind of don't really want to invade anybody's space. And I found out that the person who passed away was a child or a young person. Yeah, so I'm gonna catch what I can, but I'm not gonna invade anybody's space. Afternoon. Yeah. Dante. Oh, we had it down here. Right. Yeah, I never really know nobody. Pull out the camera and nobody face. And so much people look for me. I'm gonna want to deal with it today. Even some people stop me, ask me if I take a picture, talk about me, I go pay.
No, Jesus, I want you to come up here.
Just me, Grandpa down the floor.
You're gone now? Just me just walk grow on the grill.
Yeah? Mary said you're a young person.
You a young guy. A young guy. I know Miss Scarlett last Pitney. Upon WhatsApp, me see him.
Right, so I'm back. Yeah, so I'm back with people I know. Okay. Oh, this time I go put pants up?
No,
this other?
The guy, mother and uncle. The other day, which month?
The other day?
November. December.
Yeah.
The mother and uncle.
I saw for them great pretty.
Oh. And she's going to be very long.
Them I go build up for an old spanny too.
If I let them go, you was bashing one.
Yeah. Never yet see a grave that looks so, guys. Wow. You want to pass?
No, I look
Yeah. Yeah, they never see a grave that looks so yet.
Yeah, everywhere you go, you see the brand like grave. You have all European every place, you Then you have
oh, made that now. That look really good. Wow.
When you go Portland, you go just go Stony, you know. Once you pass one cemetery right for the roadside, they have plane, they have one bar with Disney.
Yeah?
Disney World. I train all to go for it.
What?
They all have grave when they put that make a bike on the top.
Around one bucket you want? One bucket you want or more?
And bike like I want more than Mark, you know. I want more than Mark.
Yeah, so it's very, very different.
me come to man.
Alright.
Walking back with Grandpa. Video my video. Got some chicken.